Hello everybody. Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and speaking. So today, I will speak about my dream job. Everyone has a dream job. Something they love to do and want to achieve in the future. My dream job is to be a teacher. I have always loved helping others learn. And I believe teaching is one of the most important jobs in the world. Teachers help students grow, gain knowledge, and prepare for their future. Since I was a child, I have enjoyed explaining things to my younger brother and sister. Whenever they had trouble with homework, I helped them understand difficult topics. I loved seeing the moment when they finally understood something new. It made me feel proud and happy. This experience made me realize that I enjoy teaching and want to do it as a career. A teacher has many responsibilities. They prepare lessons, explain new topics, and answer students' questions. They encourage students, help them when they struggle, and make learning fun. A good teacher is not just someone who gives information, but also someone who motivates and supports their students. I think teaching is exciting because no 2 days are the same. Every class is different, and every student learns in their own way. Teachers need to be patient, creative, and passionate about their work. To become a teacher, I need to study hard and go to university. I will learn about different teaching methods, child development, and how to communicate effectively. I also want to improve my English skills because I dream of teaching English as a second language. After completing my education, I hope to work in a school where I can help students improve their skills and gain confidence. I believe learning English is very important, and I want to make it easier and more enjoyable for students. Having a dream job gives me motivation to work hard and never give up. A dream job is not just about earning money, but also about doing something meaningful. I believe being a teacher will make me happy because I will have the chance to change people's lives and inspire students to reach their goals. Everyone has a dream job. Some people want to be doctors, engineers, artists, or athletes. What about you? Tell me, what is your dream job? That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing. See you next time.